Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, I'm sharing with you some of my favorite organizing hacks. I'm working on a new project, you guys, and I need your help. I need to know your worst DIY disaster stories. Whether it's picking the worst shade of yellow for your kitchen, or maybe you tried a new DIY trend and it completely failed, I would love to know your stories. You can email me your stories at stories@lizfenwickdiy.com. Your story could be featured in an upcoming project, and I really appreciate your help. I love the Container Store, but it can be a little expensive. They have these glass containers with black lids that I think look so nice. They really do have a high-end look to them, and I think they'd be great for your pantry or sitting out in your kitchen. I decided to do this look for a little bit less. I grabbed 3 jars from IKEA. These jars are nice and big, and they have lids as well. I removed all the stickers from the containers. Then with the lids, I spray painted them with 2 coats of a flat black spray paint. I washed out the glass containers, and next you can fill them with anything you want. I think these look great sitting out on your counter with snacks. You could also put them in your pantry. Now you could take a step farther and add labels, but I decided I wanted mine to be really versatile so I could put lots of different things in them. So if you see an organizer you like in a high-end place, you can definitely replicate it with something less expensive somewhere else. I think we all have water bottles that just go everywhere and they get lost in your cabinets, and it can be really annoying. So I love this trick of using magazine holders to organize your water bottles. You're just gonna place the magazine holders into your cabinet or drawer, and then you can simply place the water bottles inside. They're not gonna roll around, they're gonna be set in place, and you can easily take them out when you need to use them. When I was at Walmart, I grabbed this shower caddy. I love using shower caddies for organization. There's so many different uses for them, so I picked one up to show you how to organize with it. You definitely do not have to stick with using these for shower supplies. You can use them for crafts, you can use them for tools. I'm gonna use mine as a homework caddy for my kids. So I'm gonna put in a variety of school supplies and office supplies that they may need. My kids can easily pull this out, put it on the table when we need to use it, and we can tuck it away in a cabinet when we're done. Now, do any of you have just random bags in your pantry and you don't know what to do with them? They get lost everywhere. You pull them out and then you have all these little baggies and they tend to get lost. Well, here's a fun idea you can do in your pantry or in any cabinet. So get a tension rod at Walmart, and you're going to string on it these little binder clips that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, or you can grab them at Walmart since you're already gonna be there. You're gonna put your binder clips on your tension rod. Then when you have these small little bags, you can literally just clip them on here, and everything is where you can easily get to it. So simple, but I love this hack. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I love to shop at Dollar Tree for all of my organizers. Some of my favorites are these clear ones with purple lids. They're great for snacks in your pantry. You can easily put all of your different snacks in there, and I think they look great stacked up. So I grabbed some of these Dollar Tree napkin organizers to help me organize in my pantry. I have a small pantry and I keep all of my food storage in there, and all the lids tend to get lost, and so I thought this would be great for organizing those lids. So I'm gonna take some zip ties to attach all the napkin holders together. Next, I'll cut off the excess on the zip ties. Next, you can just put this into your cabinet and it'll easily organize all of your different lids for your food storage. I've also used this same napkin holder with zip ties in my bathroom to store hand towels. All right, so here's a hack to make sure all of your organizers that you use actually stay in place. So you're gonna grab some poster putty in the school supplies section at Dollar Tree. Put a little bit of that on the bottom of your organizers that are sitting in a drawer. Then when you open and shut those drawers, everything is gonna stay in place. Nothing is going to move around. I love this trick in my kitchen and my bathroom to kind of hold everything in place. If you're needing a way to organize your trash bags, I love this hack. So what you're going to do is get any kind of paper towel holder. You can get them off of Amazon, Walmart, really anywhere. And you're going to take your trash bags and put them onto the center of the paper towel holder. Now you may have to pull out one or two in the middle just to get it on there. Then you can put this underneath your sink or wherever you keep your trash bags, and you can easily pull off each of your trash bags. I love this system. It's so easy for managing all your trash bags. I came across these two pieces of glassware that were in a square shape, and I had my wheels turning for some organization ideas. Next, I'm going to put painter's tape around the lower half of my glass containers. I'm going to be spray painting these, so I wanted to put paper around the top edge. So I'm going to tape off the top. So when I'm spraying, I'm not going to get any spray paint on the top portion. Next, I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to be using a black Rust-Oleum spray paint, and I'll do 2 coats of spray paint. Once that dries, I'm going to take off the painter's tape. Because I wanted these pieces to come together and be really clear wherever their bond is, I'm going to be using the Rapid Fuse Ultra Clear All-Purpose Adhesive for this project. And I'm just going to put it on the side of my container, push them together, and let it dry. I thought these would look perfect in an office for office supplies. And how cute does this look, and so inexpensive? All right, you guys, let me know what your favorite hack was down in the comments. And if you want to see more hack videos in the future, if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.